a very amazing paper craft. So for that we need a tree pick. So here I have drawn a tree pick on a paper sheet, some paper, glue and a brown crayon. So let's start making it. First we will tear our color paper like this. We're finished now and we're ready with the papers now. So what we will do now, that we will tear the green paper a little smaller size. So now we will take a pen, pencil or brush and twist it like this. So now we are done with paper twisting, and now we will color the trunk with brown color. And now we will make some grass under this tree. We can stick leaves and flower on a tree. So let's start sticking them. Now we will put glue on all over the tree. So first we are going to sprinkle all the green over there. And now we are done with the leaves, so let's start sticking our flowers. First we'll put glue on some spaces. So friends, it's all done now. So I'll show you how it looks. This is a 3D paper tree craft. You should also try this with any color of waste papers. Bye bye for now, friends. Please like, share and